Welcome all back to Mr. Data with updates, and today we're going to look at the live radar and then the UKV and the GFS for today to have a look at the long range. Now, as you can see from the live radar, you can see here there is an exceptional amount of rain coming in from the west. Some of it will be heavy, as you can see for now. It is happening now, and that will be moving out, and it will be quite a long-lasting one. Some will be affecting most areas of the areas of England, but that will be dissipating into the west, maybe even more heavier into sort of England. Now you can see earlier there have been exceptionally heavy rain into areas, Bristol Channel, maybe even some on the east, where we've seen some thundery rain. So it's been quite a unsettled morning for now. Now have a look at the temperatures. The temperatures are decreasing as we go along. We're not going to see much high temperatures. Most of the high temperatures are still in Scotland. We've still got a few mid-high teens in Scotland. Otherwise, a widely cool day for now. Now, having a look at weather warning. I'm not sure if this is expired because I have seen some activity already. However, we've still got some rain to come. So heavy, possible thundery rain will be causing flooding and disruption in parts of England and Wales on Saturday night and into Sunday, so mostly today. So yeah, even though this most areas have got this, some areas still haven't might see a few of this. Yeah, thunderstorms are possible with heavy showers. 10mm are mostly possible with 40 to 60 millimeters in localized areas. Maybe 80 to 100 millimeters, but that's a little bit unlikely for now. That depends how it depends how much rain people have. So, like I see, low it's unlikely and it has a medium impact. Now have a look at the UKV, having a look at the long range and see where this precipitation is going. You can see from in the morning, you can see the thundery rain pushing out into the north west, affecting most areas of Wales, maybe getting to parts of northern England as well, giving it quite an unsettled day for today. And that will be moving up into the north with more heavy and perhaps thundery rain into the northeast. Now having a look onto Monday, doesn't look as bad. We still might see some scattered showers, but we might see some clear spells in the far west, with some more showers in Scotland. And then on to Tuesday, we might see some heavy showers, heavy rain into the Northern Highlands of Scotland, maybe pushing parts into Northern England as well. And then to Tuesday, yeah, widely showery, maybe some clear spells are possible as well, with a clear night to come in between that, but will be changing. You can also see some hill snow. It will be quite cold on Wednesday. We'll have to see what happens. A little bit more scattered showers into Wednesday, and on to Thursday. Again, same really scattered showers with more clear, with more sunny spells as the cold spell comes in, and on to Friday much better with more clear spells to come. Now, if you look at the bank temperatures, today it's just going to get to a high of 22 in some areas, with mostly, well, we'll be seeing a few 20s, and then mid-high teens to mid-teens in the most of it. Now I'm on to Monday. The temperatures will be dropping as we get into farther this week. We have now it is dropping only getting to high teens in the south, and then back to mid to low teens in Scotland, and then mid teens in the north. And then if we have a look into Tuesday, you can see this cold air mass is slowly pushing in. We'll only see 18 in the far east, mid-teens, maybe even low teens into north, and then even single digits is possible in the far north of Scotland. And then on to Wednesday, even cooler weather is possible with mostly mid-teens and much lower teens into Scotland. And there is a very cold night. You can even see 1 degree. Absolutely cold for the time of year. But that is for Scotland. Now have a look at the GFS and why we've got so much of this low pressure. We are in a low pressure system, giving way to showers and rain, with a dip in the in the low pressure system. We can see more greens, indicating more colder weather to come. As you can see, giving us this cool weather. You can see even some blues. So this system is bringing that very cool air to come, and you can see how big it is. So it will affect most areas of England, but it will come to an end into next week, as there's another area of perhaps warmer air with more higher pressure, especially to the south, into mid parts of September. So it does look a little bit more better for next week in terms of temperatures.